is a beautiful flower. So today, Miss Bella will guide you how to make a beautiful flower like this one. Okay. So first, you need some materials to support you. A scissors, a double-sided tape, some straws, but the most important is some color paper. You can choose any color you like, yellow or pink, and one big paper. Now first, fold this one in half, okay, and then you use a scissor, cut it in a small strip like this one, okay. After that, you can see this one and then finish for the whole like here. And then open it. You put on the table and then put the double-sided tape along this one. You can see one line here already. And then open the double-sided tape. Stick. Okay, you can see. And then one more double-sided tape here. Open it again. Then you place a straw, roll it on the way, and then you got the shape of a beautiful flower. Okay, can you see? After that, I've got some beautiful flower like this one. Okay, and then you use the big color paper. Put it here. I think you need this one to hold it. Okay, put in here. Okay, and then you put a double-sided tape here to fit it. And then you put your beautiful bow here. And then you got a bunch of flowers. So look at, very beautiful. So you can do at home, and then next month on the International Women's Day, you can give this one to your mom and say thank you mom for everything. Okay, see you later. Wow, Miss Dad, happy Women's Day.
Miss Bella, thank you.
You're welcome.
What a surprise.
Yes.
They are lovely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Hai người cần